Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm using this lovely little deep-edged canvas, and I've got my old winner spinner out, my very crudely made homemade spinner. There is a previous video a while back of me making this spinner, and yes, I'm trying again the house paint on canvas. And believe it or not, with some little pigments that I've got mixed up there that I've literally had mixed up for 6 months. So I don't hold my hopes out that this is going to be much good. But I thought just try it before I throw them all away. Because when I actually opened the lid, the pigments mixed up nicely. And I thought, well, you never know, they might work and they might not. So that's basically my experiment for today, is seeing if these 6-month-old pigments are going to work for me on house paint. And the thing is, when you're using pigments, the colours are usually so much more intense of the paint, the finished product. So I'm really hoping that I get really nice effect with these leftover pigments. So I'm using a cell activator, I will be using a cell activator, which will be the Amsterdam Black mixed with Australian Floetrol, and putting it on top and seeing if I can bring cells up. But because the pigments have been mixed for so long, I really have no idea how this is going to go. So there you go. I'm just putting my cell activator on top, and I was going to swipe it, but yeah, I decide that I'm going to just blow it out and see what's happening. And I know when you do the True Blue Shelley Art Bloom, you're supposed to allow it time for the cells to do their thing, but I did leave this and wait and things, and there's no real cells appeared. But what I was really happy with was there's such intense deep colours there that I thought there's no way that I want to just scrape this all off and abandon it, because the colours and shapes were lovely in it, so it just goes to show you kind of you don't always need cells in everything. Everybody's crazy for getting cells in their art, like write to me, saying I can't get cells, help me. But there's so many other beautiful things come out of the paints without cells too. So I did get that a quick spin, and now I'm going to tilt it off because I've got so much paint on there, but I do want the paint to tip over the edges, because I do love it when these really highly pigmented art pieces have the paint that goes over the edge. It looks super duper, and especially with a coat of resin. That's what does look fabulous on the house paint and pigments, is finishing off in resin, because it really allows those pigments to shimmer, shine. So yeah, even though look, it's only got a few sort of cells in it, but I just really love it. So probably with that paint that's left on my board, I will scrape up and do another piece after this, which I will show you. So yeah, I'm super duper happy with that. I think it turned out lovely, really. What do you guys think? Is it a yay or a nay? See, I keep pushing the boundaries and going on, trying to bring up some cells, and it just wasn't happening. So then I decided to lift the paint that's sitting down there all nicely, that's the drips, and add them to the painting too. So I'll let you just watch on at my crazy antics.
I'm hushing softly to myself. I sing this softly.
Yeah, I actually love it. I really love it. And it does make me think I should do this kind of art with the house paint and pigments more often, because it is just such lovely, deep, lush colours. So I will add some photos at the end, but I am going to show you my next little piece, which I did with some of the runoffs plus some more paint. It was a cutie patootie little piece, so onwards and upwards, let's go. Yeah, looks messy. I had a go at one, didn't work. It was terrible, so I'm just literally, it is just grey, isn't it? But once I pour the actual white over and the pigments, it'll cover all that up, and it will give me a nice slippy slidey surface to have a play with these leftover pigments. Now, I know most people are going to say, what colours did you use? I mixed these up. As I said, it's got to be at least 6 months ago, so I have absolutely no idea what colours I mixed up. But anyway, we'll see what gorgeousness we get out of this one.
I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no way to speak or reach out my hand. Watching the paper slowly unfold, bracing for news that I can't bear to hold. While I'm singing this song to myself, I sing this softly to myself. Tore up my jeans on the fence. This iron road I cannot bend, but my walking is like.
Yeah, that one, I've got some cells, but they're not like the true sort of Shelley Bloom cells. Mine are sort of weird and wonderful. But again, what I love is the really lush, vibrant colours in them. So I am definitely going to let them both dry, and they're a keepers. I won't throw them out or scrape them. I just I love the lovely deep lush colours. So my lovelies, was that a bit of a change for me, doing the house paint and pigments? And would you really like to see a bit more of it? A yay or a nay would be good, if you can let me know in the comments. And again, I've been told several times that people are just not getting notified by YouTube, that even though they've pressed the notification bell for my channel. So again, try unsubscribing and then resubscribing, and hopefully you will get notifications if you want them. So plenty of videos there for you, and look at those pieces, how lovely they were. But I'm going to somewhere down the line I will resin them and show you before the start of another video. But please take care. Bye for now.
I'm hushing the dog on the chain. I'm lining up stones on the edge of the bank. Rally the troops for another refrain. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no way to speak or reach out my hand. Watching the paper slowly unfold, skin is lighter when I walk with a friend. I sing softly to myself. I sing softly to myself. I'm waking up early again, sitting alone and listening, and there is no separation from you